In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for project management. ClickUp is a versatile tool that can help streamline how your team handles projects and tasks, making your workflow more efficient and organized. Let's dive into how you can set up and use ClickUp effectively. First, think of your workspace as the overarching umbrella for your organization or department. It's the top-level structure where everything else resides, providing a comprehensive overview of all activities and initiatives within your organization. Within this workspace, you can create distinct spaces. These spaces represent high-level areas such as marketing, engineering, or operations. Each space acts as a focused environment tailored to the specific needs and workflows of different teams or departments. Within each space, you'll have folders. Folders are incredibly useful when it comes to managing specific projects or clients. They act as containers that help you keep everything organized and compartmentalized. For example, under the marketing space, you might have a folder dedicated to a product launch or a particular promotional campaign. Inside these folders, you have lists. Lists serve as actionable work streams, housing all the tasks that need to be completed for that particular project or client. This structured hierarchy from workspace down to lists ensures your team stays organized and can handle projects of any size with ease. Now, let's talk about tasks and subtasks, which are critical components of project management in ClickUp. Tasks are individual work items, and you can think of them as the building blocks of your projects. You can break down these tasks further by using subtasks, which are great for managing detailed processes or multi-step activities. This layered structure of tasks and subtasks helps your team tackle complex projects in a more manageable and scalable way. When it comes to managing these tasks in detail, the list view in ClickUp is your best friend. This view allows you to see all the relevant information at a glance, including assignees, due dates, and priorities. You can add comprehensive descriptions and upload important attachments directly to each task, providing complete context and resources right where they're needed. If you're dealing with particularly complex tasks, breaking them down into subtasks or creating checklists can make things more achievable and transparent. Furthermore, setting dependencies, such as waiting on or blocking, can significantly improve the flow of tasks, ensuring everything happens in the correct order and at the right time. To track additional details related to your tasks, consider using custom fields. These customizable data points can help you track specific information like client details, budget limits, or the current status of a task. This level of customization allows you to tailor ClickUp to fit your unique project requirements and ensures all necessary information is cataloged and easy to access. By taking advantage of ClickUp's structure and customization options, you can make your project management efforts more organized, transparent, and efficient. Your team is sure to benefit from the clarity and order this powerful tool provides, enhancing collaboration and productivity all